Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to go about editing a markup. But in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to edit a book markup. So if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. Without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Yeah, so I've done this design already, this book cover design already. So yeah, then I will bring in, I've downloaded a book markup already from freepik.com. Link will be available in the description. Then I will open it. Yeah, so waiting for it to load. Yeah, so this is how the sorry, yeah, yeah, sorry, yeah. So this is how the mockup looks. Let me zoom in so that you guys will see it very well. So we're going to edit this in our satisfaction. There's the front face and there's the back side and the edge. So right click on the front face, and then click on edit content, and then we turn off all the things we don't need. Then we'll bring in I'll bring in the design I designed recently. Then I'm going to resize it to fit. Yeah, make sure the design fits the workspace. If not, it won't come out well. Then you click on your keypad Ctrl S to save. If you not save, you won't see any changes. You can see that there is a change already. Then we'll go to the back side layer, right click, then we'll click on edit content. Then we'll do the same, just bringing in the design and then resize it to fit. If you don't resize it to fit, it won't come out well. That's just the fact. That's just the basic thing about this editing of markup. You have to place it well and then we save it. Make sure you save save it so that there will be a change to the markup. You can see now. Then for the edge, just bring in the design, right click on it and then click on edit content. Then yeah, just like that, and just save it. Yeah, make sure it's completely saved. If not, it won't be position where, yeah. And so that's it on how to edit a mockup. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial video. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial.